I told my stepmom she's not an incentive for me to change my last name. My parents were never married, so I have my mom's last name. She died when I was 5. My dad was already married to my stepmom at the time. I didn't warm up to her because I sensed tension between her and my mom. After my mom died, it got worse because my stepmom would say things like, "You're finally where you belong, and I'm so happy you're my little boy now." This made me feel uncomfortable. My dad, never the hands-on parent, told me to accept being loved. 2 months after my mom died, my oldest half-sister was born. I grew up around my paternal family without my parents, and I didn't meet them until earlier this year. I'm close to my aunts and uncles, who feel like siblings, but my grandparents are my favorite people. About a year and a half ago, my biological parents returned and said they had kids. My grandparents didn't push me to interact, so I stayed out of it. When the discussion of inheritance came up, my biological parents wanted to know if their kids had been added as equal grandkids. They claimed I shouldn't take priority since I was the oldest. My grandparents kicked them out. A few days ago, my stepmom tried to convince me to change my name to her dad's name, saying it would make her happy. I told her she wasn't an incentive for me to change my name because I don't want to be her boy, and I don't accept her as my mom. She started crying and called me spoiled, so was I wrong?